Hey guys and girls, I've just been playing with an old printer I got for free. Wanted to print that out, found it in the bush. So it has got a bit of streaking on it, not a big fan of that yet, but I've just refilled it. All I had to do was, this is a, what model is this? This is an Eco M5526CDW. Sorry about my way of doing it. You press this button here, which will open the side case. You take one of these out by lifting it, taking it out, and by using a flat tip screwdriver, and I filled it with leftover ink I had hanging around from another printer with this. So I put that in there. If it doesn't have that, you can use a drill and you can steal a new cap off one of these. See, totally different caps. So I just grabbed one of those caps and I popped it on top of the other ones. Now, I didn't waste my time showing you how that printed, but it printed perfectly. I printed another piece of paper before it, and you can see where I've had to drill into one of them. So you just have to measure your with that to make sure you got the right size. Clean it out each time you use it, and shouldn't be too bad. It's just the inks have just got a piece of metal in the ink, so it's just powder pretty much, and when it rains that'll all clean up. So that's about it from me. Please like, subscribe if you want to. I'm not worried if you don't. And have a great day. Hopefully that's a quick way of fixing your printer and save you a couple of dollars, especially in these times.